Yago beats you drive me crazy.
The Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 Low OG SP Canary is a special edition sneaker that pays homage to Travis Scott's alma mater, Elkins High School, in Missouri City, Texas. The shoe features a premium leather upper in a canary yellow colorway, with light silver overlays and racer blue accents. The shoe also has Scott's signature reverse swoosh logo and Cactus Jack branding on the heel. The Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 Low OG SP Canary was released on May 17, 2024, exclusively in women's sizes. The shoe retailed for $150, but it is now reselling for well above its original price.